Number 1. 1966 Ford Galaxie 500 XL, $7,000, Phoenix, Arizona. This 1966 Ford Galaxie 500 XL is a solid Arizona coupe powered by a rebuilt 352 cubic inch V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive. Showing 70,000 miles, it starts easily and runs smoothly after a recent tune-up that included fresh fluids, a rebuilt Edelbrock carburetor, and a new battery. The braking system has been fully refreshed, and all exterior lights and turn signals operate correctly. The black paint is rust-free, though a dent is present on the passenger door. Crager 15-inch wheels give it a classic appearance. The air conditioning system is installed but not currently connected. With a clean Arizona title, this Galaxie is an honest and affordable classic cruiser. Number 2. 1965 Plymouth Valiant Barracuda, $6,800, Foster Powell, Oregon. This 1965 Plymouth Valiant Barracuda is a street-style project powered by a modified 318 cubic inch V8 engine bored 40 over. It features upgraded cylinder heads, an Edelbrock intake, a 600 cubic feet per minute carburetor, and a TorqueFlite automatic transmission. With 230,000 miles showing, the car runs and drives and is described as reliable. Finished in rattle-can black with factory dog dish hubcaps, all lights and brakes are reported to be functional. This Barracuda is a good fit for an enthusiast looking for an early Mopar with attitude and performance potential. Number 3. 1979 Chevrolet El Camino, $11,500, Lynnwood, Washington. This 1979 Chevrolet El Camino blends muscle car performance with pickup utility. It is powered by a 350 cubic inch V8 engine with a 4-bolt main block, turbo 350 automatic transmission, and an 8.5-inch rear differential. Showing 61,105 miles, it runs and drives well and has received many new parts, including ignition components, tires, shocks, and a steering wheel. Modern updates include LED headlights, a Bluetooth stereo, and upgraded speakers. Finished in red and described in excellent condition, this El Camino is a clean and versatile classic. Number 4. 1966 Ford F100, $10,000, Bellingham, Washington. This 1966 Ford F100 is a dependable classic pickup powered by a 351 cubic inch V8 engine with a 3-speed manual column shift transmission. Showing 169,450 miles, it runs strong and benefits from recent work, including brakes, clutch, radiator, exhaust, and brand new tires. A dent is present on the passenger side corner panel. New carpet and a rear chrome bumper are included, but not yet installed. With a clean title, this F100 is a solid driver or light restoration candidate. Number 5. 1981 Datsun 280ZX, $6,800, Carlsbad, Washington. This 1981 Datsun 280ZX is a fair-condition driver powered by a naturally aspirated 6-cylinder engine and automatic transmission. The odometer shows 226,000 miles and has rolled over. It runs reasonably well and delivers respectable performance for its age. The seller notes it needs new seals and recommends garage storage or frequent driving. Finished in blue and offered with a clean title, this 280ZX is an affordable entry into classic Japanese sports cars. Number 6. 1989 Jeep Grand Wagoneer, Redmond, Oregon. This 1989 Jeep Grand Wagoneer is a classic luxury sport utility vehicle well suited for restoration. It is powered by a 5.9-liter, 360 cubic inch V8 engine with a 3-speed automatic transmission and 4-wheel drive. Showing 136,000 original miles, it remains a daily runner with working power accessories and cold air conditioning. The leather interior is in good condition, though the headliner is sagging. With minimal rust, this Grand Wagoneer is a strong candidate as values continue to rise. Number 7. 1966 Buick LeSabre Convertible, $14,000, Durango, Colorado. This 1966 Buick LeSabre Convertible is a comfortable full-size classic, showing 84,830 miles. It is powered by a V8 engine and automatic transmission and has received extensive recent maintenance, including a new carburetor, electronic ignition, a complete brake overhaul, and new ignition components. The convertible top operates properly, and the white interior is in excellent condition. Known for smooth ride quality and style, this LeSabre runs and drives very well. Number 8. 1980 Chevrolet Camaro, $18,000, Bellingham, Washington. This 1980 Chevrolet Camaro is an extensively rebuilt second-generation muscle car. It features a rebuilt 350 cubic inch V8 engine, a new overdrive automatic transmission, and numerous upgrades to the brakes, suspension, interior, paint, wheels, and tires. Showing 47,000 miles, it is presented in excellent condition throughout and offers strong performance with classic Camaro appeal. Number 9. 1971 Pontiac Firebird, $18,500, Seattle and Tacoma, Washington. This 1971 Pontiac Firebird is an all-original example that has remained in the same family since new. It is powered by a 350 cubic inch V8 engine with an automatic transmission and shows 100,000 miles. The car runs and drives well, has always been garage kept, and shows no rust. Original Firebirds in this condition are becoming increasingly rare and desirable. Number 10. 1967 Buick California Grand Sport, $15,000, Nuevo, California. This 1967 Buick California Grand Sport sedan is a rare muscle-era Buick, powered by a V8 engine with an automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive. The odometer shows 4,100 miles, but is broken and has rolled over. Finished in red and offered with a clean title, the car is in good overall condition. The California Grand Sport model is known for combining comfort with performance-oriented styling. Number 11. 1963 half Ford Falcon 260, $22,000, Santa Cruz, California. This 1963 and a half Ford Falcon is a highly collectible transitional model that preceded the Ford Mustang. It is powered by a 260 cubic inch V8 engine with an automatic transmission and shows 18,194 miles. The car has been fully refreshed with new paint, interior, brakes, suspension, wheels, and tires. It runs excellent and delivers strong performance in a lightweight and iconic package. Number 12. 1964 Mercury Comet Cyclone, $18,500, Lynnwood, Washington. This 1964 Mercury Comet Cyclone is an original California car powered by a 289 cubic inch K-Code V8 engine, showing 85,321 miles It retains its original paint and factory components. The body is solid throughout with no rust. Recent updates include a complete brake overhaul, new tires, windshield, headliner, and window seals. It runs, drives, and stops well and offers excellent preservation or restoration potential. Number 13, 1956 Ford Fairlane Victoria Coupe, $17,100, Los Gatos, California. This 1956 Ford Fairlane Victoria is a desirable two-tone coupe finished in mostly original white and green paint. It is powered by a 292 cubic inch Thunderbird V8 engine with an automatic transmission and shows 96,400 original miles. The interior is well preserved and the body is rust-free. The engine runs well but has a valve tick and would benefit from a carburetor rebuild. This Fairlane represents a distinctive and attractive mid-50s California classic.